We're going to take a few minutes here and talk about the specifics of our wedding albums. I'm going to do a couple videos. In this one, I'm going to talk about some of the features. The second video, we're going to talk about the actual design, so the types of pictures you'll pick, how we'll lay it out. The third video, we'll talk about specifically the options and the upgrades you have available. So I'll save some of those features until then. And then in the final video, we're going to talk about the parent companion books. So basically, real quick in this video, I do want to introduce our albums. Here's an example of a typical wedding album. Now this is a 10 by 10 size, and we also offer 8 by 8. So these are the two size options, and we'll talk a little bit more about that when we do the video about the different options and upgrades. But so it's a leather bound album. You do get to choose your leather colors, which again we'll talk about in the options and upgrade videos. Now, getting into the inside of the album itself, just some of the features to go over. The actual type of album, the contemporary name is usually referred to as a coffee table album, but essentially what we have here is a flush mounted album. So you'll notice a nice thick sturdy page where the images are printed directly to the pages. And we have, a collage style way of doing the design. We do some full page printing as well. The particular manufacturer we use, so some of the things we like to point out, the thickness of the page is one of the thickest in the industry. So it's a nice sturdy page. What's referred to as the gutter down the middle here, or the seam, it's the tightest gutter seam in the industry. It's almost called an invisible seam, but it does allow the ability in some of the designs that we do where we can, lay a picture over both pages. So it's a very tight gutter as well. These albums are made right here in the United States. Handcrafted, made with quality. So these are fantastic wedding albums, things that you'll be happy to have for a long time.